Welcome to another Mr. Mutech video. Today I'm going to show you how to resolve the issue of the silent mode button not working on your iPhone 15. So this little button right here, typically you've used this in the past on older models where there's a little button to press or flip up and down, and that was your silent mode button, but now you just simply have to press and it's called the action button. But if this is not working, like you can see, I'll press on that and it just expands the island a little bit, but doesn't actually do anything. I'm going to show you how you can set this to the silent mode button so it operates properly. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to go ahead and open settings on our iPhone 15 or iPhone 15 Pro. And then the next thing we want to do is go ahead and scroll down until we see the option 2 spots under General, which is called Action Button. Go ahead and tap on that to select it. And now you're going to see that we can use the action button here and make it do a lot of different things. But what we want is silent mode. And so we want to go ahead and set that. So all you have to simply do is just scroll to the left or right, depending on where you're at with the current option. And we want to find silent. And once we find silent mode, we want to go ahead and just leave it at that and go ahead and back out to the settings here. And then moving forward, we should see this operate properly. So we'll go ahead and use the side button here, see if it works. So once we tap on that, you can see silent mode is activated, and then go ahead and hold it longer to deactivate. And now you should have that working properly. Hopefully this was helpful for you guys, and if so, feel free to give me a thumbs up on this video. I really appreciate it. And let me know in the comments if this was helpful for you. Take care and have an awesome day, everyone.